Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I'm so sure you all know that I am running a Canva tutorial series. And today's learning is all about how to create a birthday card using Canva. So without wasting much time, we will enter into Canva platform and I will share the screen for the same. So I'm going to share the screen. Yes, I have actually logged into Canva platform. So after login, this interface will be somewhat like this. And you have a create a design option at the right hand side corner of the screen. So click on it. Let us click on it. And you can write here birthday card. See, you have a lot of birthday card designs. It's landscape, beach birthday invitation. I mean, there are invitation cards, templates, and everything is available. Now, we are going to type here birthday card. It's coming like a birthday card, a cat, bat. So we are going to type your birthday card and look at this. The first option comes as cat birthday card, landscape, and we have co-worker birthday card simple. So we'll go for birthday card simple. Let us see what it has in store for us. So I'm clicking birthday card. So yes. Now, as always, we know that when we open anything, we will have n number of free templates for birthday. Like anything, when you search, you'll get free templates available. Now, the first thing what we are going to do is we are going to search like, is there any template which is according to my taste and need? Now, I will choose the first one, simple. See here. Now, it is having set of balloons. Now placed again, set of balloons this side, right side, left side, everything, and happy birthday to you. And if you are thinking that I will use this only because it is simple, readily available. But sometimes some creative person will not want to use it according to the template, free template. So in case if you are a very creative person, you can actually go and change and modify and customize your design. Now, how to customize it? We are going to click here and you have the option to change the color. So I want this to be in a different shade. Let me check what happens. See, I have done a blue color background, even a bright blue. I wanted, like you can go for any yellow color. Let us check. So anything you can check and then get the design. Now here again, I am finalizing with the blue color. So now if I don't want this bunch, or else if you want to edit the photo, click the photo edit and then let us see what filters are available for this. See, you have all the filters. In case if I want to change it, I can go for it. And if I don't like it also, there is no issues. Reason is, see, this is going to suit, right? So again, I'm going to delete this also, and I'm going to copy, make a duplicate, and then bring it here. And I'm going to align it with the layer, send it backward. Now your balloons are ready here. So in a simple way, we have done the same color, which I liked it by just customizing this. So this is very easy to create a birthday card. And even this words also, if you want to go for a different font style, you can always choose one, and you can increase the size of the font with the help of plus sign. It is coming very big. I can go for a resizing it, and I have put it over here. And if I want to color change as per the gold available, which is the, I can go for a better one. I can still not, I'm not happy with it. I can go for this. I can go for this. Yes. Happy birthday. The birthday, I'm going to make it the same, or else like, yes. Happy also, I can go for a different style, which can actually complement the birthday. Okay. So let me go for a different. So this is, I think, okay, but we can make it bigger, and the color can be changed to a darker one. It is not looking good. Yes. So even you can go for this happy to duplicate this, so that the same font can be done for the to you also. Duplicate this and bring the happy here, and write here, delete happy and write here to you. So now it is matching, correct? So the birthday word is, and the previous to you, I can easily delete it. Now this is how you can go for the change, or the customization of birthday can be done this way. Now I will show you, I'll create a new page, and I will show you how from scratch we are going to do the happy birthday card. Now I've got the blank space, and I'm going to change this place with the another color, which is a very, I can go for a vibrant color, that is might with this, or else a simple yellow color. Okay. Now I need to add on some elements over here. Maybe flowers. So you can see here, there are a bunch of flowers here. Floral corner can be used. Floral designs can be used. So I'm going to use this flower, and then I'm going to resize it. So there are a number of floral designs available. I can go for something which is very nice. Let me choose from here. I have a corner design which is in white background. So I will edit the photograph to remove the background. Now I've got the background removed. So I can place it here. Yes, I can place it here in the corner. If I want, I can just slightly reduce the design, and I want some cake to be added. Cake, birthday cake option is available. So go for it, and you can choose a very colorful cake. Let us go for something very nice. Or else we'll go for photograph to check whether something more beautiful is there. I think graphic is better. So go add this cake. But then this is actually not matching, because the background color will change the background color, and see. No maroon. See, it is vibrant, but the rose is becoming dull. So I can go for this. No, it is also not good. Good. So there are so many options available for you to go for a change. Now, I think the maroon is good, but then I can change the photos color, that is rose color. Now I'm going to filter. So I'll definitely get something wonderful here, which will match with the combination. I feel this will suitable. Yes. Now this has become very vibrant, right? Now we can bring the cake down and make it a little bit smaller in size. And then here you can write happy birthday, and you can go for the template fonts, which is already there. So if you want to go for something good, you can go and click on it. Instead of love you can always change this to it's a double one. So it is, now I'm going to write here happy birthday. Now it is not looking good, but it will be when we change the size of the font. Let us see how this works out. See, it has actually settled properly. Now you can actually place it here, and then also we need one exclamatory mark, and that is also done. See, this is how you can actually, if you want, you can go for a slight, rotate it and place it in a stylish way. Done. So this is how you are going to create a happy birthday post using Canva. So I think it is very clear, and also it is so simple to do it. And instead of using a free template, it's always good to use your creativity to send personal cards to your beloved ones. So if you found this useful, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say about this post, kindly do it in the comment box. And thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. And if you found this useful, then click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do write to me in the comment box. And thank you for watching. Thank you.